A conscious decision was made about 3 or 4 years ago at UCL to bring all of our AV design in-house. So that would be including, complete drawing designs of spaces, specification of equipment, drawing up the schematics. And the idea of it was so that we can have greater control over what equipment was being spec'd and was being installed in our teaching spaces, so that there was standards going in, so that if an amplifier or a speaker or a projector did need to be removed, we only had to have limited stock in our spares, in our support teams, so they could just change it out instantly. It's working quite well. As we work through it, we've noticed that we do need now more and more standards, and it's almost a case of actually now maybe we need to revise, well, we're constantly trying to revise our standards, but maybe not be more rigid on them and have a base core that then gets revised and suited to the space that it's needed in. It's a lot of work, it's a lot of man hours, but because we've got that base standard that we can always refer to, it does help speed up things. We've got CAD blocks of all of our equipment and all of our designs, so we can just drag and drop things into things that are already done. So there's a lot of base work and a lot of work that's done prior to our designs that's all been done, so it make our lives a little bit easier. There is a need at UCL, and we've highlighted that need, but there's also a need for design to be done by integrators and by consultants for institutions that don't have the ability to do the designs in-house. I mean, that's the reason why it's brought in, is because we can control every element from start to finish. If there's an issue with a bit of kit, we can talk to the integrator, we can talk to the manufacturer, we can sort something out, we may need to change something. So we have our standards, but we're not stuck on it. We've got our preferred, and then we've got our reserve bits of kit that we would use. So if that first bit of kit's not available, we can swap it out for our reserve bit of kit, but it's then still within our core bits of kit that we use.